Hello, Mr. Konstantin and Michael and Thomas. How are you? I hope that you are good. Here it's the sample of the wardrobe, and we make a new color how you say to us to make it. And here we make this gold. Now I will try to open it. Okay. Here we put two magnet, and here too. Inside, we change this one, we put one very good thing. Here it's this shelf, and here another shelf. It is, how you ask it, 25 centimeters. And here, 29 centimeters. This one down. Here you have this. Here it is. 99, 1 meter from up and from down, 98. Here it's two things, it's the same material that they keep this thing. And now here up, we change these things, we put a new one, and from here down the same thing, we put a new things. Here now at the back, here at the back we put one very fat bag because you don't like the first one, and now all the wardrobe, it's not moving, nothing. Here I close it now. Here now it's not at the wall, it's at there. The wardrobe, it's at there. It's not moving, it's not going nowhere. We make a new color and we make gold color these things. And now here with this thing, imagine this what we bring for you, that what it was at the photo what you ordered. Imagine it here. Me, I believe that this it passed too much. I don't know. It's very hard for me to find. Where's the other one, Sam? It's very hard to me to find another these things. Now I find one these things, but me I don't like it. It's too heavy. I think the material is good, but I don't like it. It will be like this, here, wait, here. But then, when you will go to open it, you have problem, because how you will open this, I don't know. You will open it like this, but me I don't like it, I don't know. I believe that this one, it pass, and it's good. Συνεχίζω?
Ναι.
Okay, and here you do this, Nico. Here, you do it, this. Okay, we put here and down too. We make a new system. And here we close everything. This what it's bother you for with locking. We change all the system of the world. And now you see, you close it and everything, it's okay. And now here, we change the bag. Ah, the bag, I forget, Nico. Come here. We change the bag, we put one very fat bag, how you asked to us. And now, it's not moving, it's not going nowhere. How you can see it. Here I will hit it now. It's not going nowhere, and it's not at the wall, it's at the air. Until now it's at the air. Think about it will be at the wall. Okay, now, what else? Ah, this is everything what I can say to you. I hope that you like our wardrobe and we make our best things for you, to make you happy. Ah, for this I say for the handles. No, the handles. This one, it's this what we bring from you, for you, from the Egypt. Look at him, because it's very hard to find handles, very, very hard. And now I find this one at 15 centimeters. It's heavy, it's not, you hear it, but the problem is that it's not looking nice. If you like it, I can put it for you. But the problem then is, you have to open it, you can't put your hands inside, you will open it like this, the door, like this. I don't know, no? But it's a little bit hard to find good handles. But I believe that these handles, what you order from us, what it was at the photo of your ordering, it's passing very good. And this keyhole, you don't see it so much. Yeah, check it.
Κρατάω πάνω.
Ωραία, το κρατάω.
Πάνω.
Yes. Okay, here it's not looking like a keyhole. Your decision, it's yours. What you want to do with the handles. I hope that you like our job and have a nice day, and thank you very much, and we are waiting of you. All your orders, it's ready, all your orders or your furniture, it's ready, and you are welcome in Greece to check it again and to drink a coffee. Thank you very much. Bye bye.